Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 9 English Medium, chapter number 3. Name of chapter number 3 is Coordinate Geometry. So, chapter is based on Cartesian geometrical representation of coordinate. It's different type of coordinate in the represent in a Cartesian form. The mathematician name is Cartesian. So, according to this name, honor of this name. So method in representation of coordinate name is Cartesian plane. So consider as a plane. So name of plane according to this mathematician name Cartesian plane. So in a Cartesian plane, plane can be divided by 4 parts, 2 axes, x-axis and y-axis. Center O, and this O is name is origin, and coordinate of this origin is 0 and 0. Now this side, right hand side of coordinate is a plus sign. It means is all value represented as a plus number. In similar way, according to opposite side of this x-axis is represented as a negative axis. It means all terms are negative. In similar y-axis, this line is positive represented number. Positive number represented. In similar way here, negative terms can be represented. So this axis can be parts as a negative y-axis, positive y-axis, positive x-axis, positive negative x-axis. In center O is represented, coordinate of this O is origin and coordinate is 0 and 0. Now it's divided by 4 parts. So is a first, second, third and fourth. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and 4 quadrants. First is horizontal line and is a vertical line. So representation of this horizontal and vertical line and x-axis and y-axis. So first, in a horizontal lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line y-axis. So horizontal line name is x-axis, vertical line represented y-axis. Then these two lines are intersect each other at point A. It means x-axis and y-axis intersect at point O, and this point O is named origin. Coordinate is 0 and 0. Now this divided by 4 quadrant. How many quadrants? 4 quadrants. So in first quadrants here, second, third and fourth quadrants. So suppose here we can represent it -4 and 5 number. So first is represented x-axis and second number represented y-axis. So here first part is positive part, y-axis. The first part can be represented. This first coordinate we can write is represented x-axis and after second coordinate represented y-axis. So first part is positive. In similar way y-axis coordinate is also positive. So first quadrant is both value have positive. Its coordinate value will be positive in the first part. In similar way, second part, x-axis is minus part. Minus value represented and y-axis plus value represented. So in a second quadrant, which value are present? X-axis minus and y-axis positive. So present in a second quadrant. Third quadrant is both minus. Therefore, x-axis and y-axis both have minus sign. Quadrant 4, x-axis is plus sign, y-axis is minus sign. So fourth quadrant, minus, positive x-axis and negative y-axis value coordinate is represented on a fourth quadrant. So remember that first, second quadrant, fourth quadrants remain. These quadrants can be divided by total 4 quadrants by 2 axes, first, second, third and fourth, and this 4 quadrant can be different coordinate sign. Now this x-axis, it means, for example, 1 and minus 2. So this one can be represented x-axis, this minus 2 is represented y-axis, and both have different name. So x-axis is name is, so x-axis, name of this x-axis is Abscias, ABSCI, spelling is ABSCI Abscia. So the representative of x coordinate, his name is Abscia, and in a y axis, so y axis is coordinate, name is ordinate. So name of this y coordinate, his name is ordinate. So here ask in exam, what is coordinate of these coordinates, given coordinates? So answer is minus 2. In similar way, 1 is represented x axis. So name this name. So name is this is here Abscia, and coordinate and Abscia. So x axis is 1 and y axis is minus. Now solve it. Start with exercise 3.1, question number 1. In exercise 1, 3.1, first question is given that represented how you describe position of table lamp on your study table to another person. It means how can you simplify that? So the table, a lamp on a table to describe to other person. So assume that first, assume that study table Now this table, this line of table can be represented x-axis. In similar way, here represented y-axis. So how can you simplify position of lamp on a table? So here coordinate, this point is represented coordinate. So how can you simplify that? So take a, suppose lamp its position is here. So we say that the origin point, means corner point, our right hand move towards on horizontally right hand side. Similar way here at a corner, distance from these points on a left side. On the left right, here right side x-axis and left side this y-axis. So position of this can be represented position of length. Suppose move on a 21 centimeter and here move from point this 14 centimeter. So mid 2 points can be represented length of position. So we can round up. We can return as a notebook. First draw figure and then explanation is consider the lamp point table on a plane. It means a lamp on a table. It means Cartesian plane. Assume as a Cartesian plane. After this, perpendicular edge of table measure, then form edges. Means perpendicular both table and means corner. So assume as the edges of these tables. So in right hand side, move. Suppose the longer edge means 25. So here we can take it as a longer edge. So here 14. So edge is one is 14 centimeter, and these lines of direction can be 21 centimeter. So cover this distance and meet these 2 points. It means 21 centimeter and 14 centimeter meet at one point. This point is our represented position of lamp. So how can you write down in notebooks? First draw figure. After then explain them. Consider as a x-axis as a edges of tables. X-axis and y-axis, horizontal line and vertical line. Consider 21 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Take two distance. 14 centimeter is represented which distance? Point is to this points. Means 14 centimeter in the right hand. Similar 21 is represented by axis. This edges of table can be how many distance? 21 centimeter. So mean 21 and 14 centimeter is represented our position of lamp. So written down in this type of number. Now question number 2. In question number 2, we have to given here street diagram can be represented. So understanding question, figure can be drawn by this type of figure can be drawn using the help of instruction. So mains road, here two mains road means 4 direction east, west, north and south. So main two roads means in direction and north direction consider as a main two roads and meet at the center. And this represented 4 different streets. So two main road created 4 different streets. So vertically 5 streets and horizontally and vertically total 5 streets. Other street parallel to roads, and so these lines, all lines can be parallel. Parallel lines, this type of line can be parallel. So here east direction, and so after east west direction, total 5 lines are parallel to each other. Street 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In similar way, horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 lines can be horizontally and here vertical. Using statement of question, we can draw this type of figure. After draw figure, now how many cross street can be referred to 4 and 3? First question, can be represented how many cross street at 4 and 3. In similar way, next question 3 and 4. So the question is how many cross street can be referred? Street can be referred at 2 points. One is 4, 3 and one is 4, 3 and another is 3, 4. How many cross street can be referred? First point is 4, 3, second point is 3, 4. So exercise 3.1 is only for understanding, not asked in exam and not important for exam, only for understanding basic concept of this Cartesian planes and coordinates. So exercise 3.1 is not a exam related question, only for understanding. Here first question is completed. Position of plane can be how can you describe? So using Cartesian plane, x-axis and y-axis. Now second question, 2 main road, 4, 5 each parallel street. So represented this 5 parallel street. Now ask how many cross street can be referred differ. So only point 43 and 34 both point have different position of both point have a different, and this point is unique point. It means all Cartesian plane, no other similar point can be found as a 3 4. It means 3 4 is a one and only one point in a first quadrant. 3 and 4 is only first, only one and only one point can be represented on a Cartesian plane. It means one and only one point represented on a Cartesian plane. Now, this point 3 and 4 is only one point on a Cartesian plane. So, how many points can be represented? So, the answer is this is a unique point and it's only one and only one point on a Cartesian plane. So, answer is only one. Unique found because two different points can be used for location. So both point has a unique point. Reason both have located by two reference point. Two reference point means x-axis and y-axis is a unique. 3 and 4 both have unique. 4 and 3 is also unique. So both have unique point. Therefore, represented unique point. Therefore, represented on two using two reference point. First reference point is in second position x-axis, here y-axis, here x-axis, and here y-axis. So unique point. Completed exercise here 3.1. Write down in notebook first question. After question, do diagram and then ask question. So written down in question and down part written down answer of this question. So completed exercise here 3.1. Both question completed. So write down in notebooks and draw diagram and write down in answer. This is the introduction part of this chapter number 3. Now next lecture we have to start exercise 3. Thank you friends.